Hello everyone, back again, dissecting the dogfish shark. So last time I went over the external features of the shark. Okay, today we're going to observe the internal cavity, look at the internal organs of the shark, starting with the digestive system. So basically all I did to expose the internal cavity was make two transverse cuts, one across the pelvic region and then one across the pectoral girdle, the pectoral region, which can be kind of tough at times because it is pretty thick with cartilage. And then the other cut I made was cutting from the pelvic region, cutting straight up along the length of the body, right through the gills and to the corner of the mouth. Okay, so once I make those cuts, I'm going to be able to open up this tissue and observe the organs, okay? So the digestive system really begins in the throat of the shark. This is called the pharynx. And that pharynx leads to this tube, I'm sticking my finger in it right now, called the esophagus. Okay, and that esophagus leads into the stomach. This mass right here is the stomach of the shark. Contains pretty strong acids and enzymes to begin the breakdown of the food that it eats. Okay, and then the stomach begins to narrow off in this area right here called the pyloric sphincter. And then this leads into this tube that curves in this direction. This is called the duodenum. And then the duodenum leads into this spiral intestine of the shark. Okay, so compared to us, the shark just has one small intestine. Our intestines are a lot longer, and it's made up of the small and large intestine. The shark just has this one intestine here, but it's spiral. The last thing I'll do is cut open into the digestive tract so we could see the rugae. These are the wrinkles inside the walls of the digestive tract, and these wrinkles increase the surface area of the digestive walls, and this leads to more efficient digestion. Okay. I'm just going to cut a little bit further down this way. Okay, I just wanted to turn it around and show you guys here where the posterior side of the intestine ends here in the colon, and the colon empties the solid waste out of the cloaca. Okay, so I'm just going to turn this right back around. As soon as you open up the shark, you will notice that the largest organ is basically this very oily liver. The liver is made up of 3 lobes, a large left and right lobe, and then there's a smaller medial lobe, that is the lobe right in the middle. The liver produces a lot of oil, and we know that oil is less dense than water, so this will help the shark with its buoyancy. And the other function of the liver, I'll try to find it for you guys. Yes, this structure right here on the medial lobe of the liver is the gall bladder, and it's green colored. The gall bladder will release digestive enzymes and bile, and this will travel through this tube here And this tube empties the contents, those digestive enzymes, into this duodenum. Okay? So it's basically delivering digestive enzymes and bile into the duodenum to help break down the fats in the shark's food. Okay? There are two more organs that will deliver digestive enzymes and hormones into the duodenum to aid in digestion. One is the pancreas. This is the pancreas right here, right next to the duodenum. The pancreas releases the hormone insulin into the duodenum. And then this dark triangular organ right here is the spleen. Now the spleen helps with the digestion as well, but it also has functions in the immune system. Okay, what I wanted to do last was just kind of cut into the stomach. See what's inside. Maybe we could see partially digested food. So this is what I wanted to point out for you guys. All these wrinkles, all these folds is the rugae. This increases the surface area and helps with better, more efficient digestion. Okay, and then we continue to see these folds and this spiral, the spiral patterns that we see here with the intestine, where nutrients begin to be absorbed from the food that's been broken down. Okay, that's going to be it for today with the digestive system of the shark. What I'm going to go over next time with you guys is the cardiovascular system. So we're going to be looking at the shark's heart and understand how the blood gets from the heart through the gills to deliver the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. And then we're going to look a little bit at the urogenital system of the shark. Thank you, everyone. Take care.